That's because Tinubu is running our government as if it's a family affair. That I don't blame him. I blame Nigerians for keeping short. Who knows Sheyi? Did you know the son to Buhari when he was leading? Did you know the son to anybody? It is Yoruba style of living. They will always want to. Awala Wambe, Awala Wambe. Who is Sheyi? Who is Sheyi for Christ's sake? Stupid government. Who is Sheyi? What is Sheyi business in Nigerian government? Nobody wants to talk. All of you are just watching and looking. Who is Sheyi? A small boy of yesterday. Stupid people. I don't know what this country is turning to. I keep asking a question. Why would you not be in government? Now you introduce Sheyi, your son, are telling us you are moving to Dubai with your fuck all of you, fuck you, and even fuck your son. It's only Nigeria will see this nonsense. Why is Brigade or why is this bidding not saying he's traveling with his 2 children? You are the only first person to become a president. Stupid people. So you are the first person to become a president in this country. These are the things you do that annoys me. These are the things you do that makes me want to be like a soldier man. That wants to make me to carry gun, to brutalize all of you. These are the things you do that annoys me. That says I want to become a soldier man, to use bullets to decorate most of you. Stupid people. Why would you not be saying Sheyi? You are traveling Sheyi to this thing. Is that the kind of news we're hearing in Nigeria? God punish all of you. So please, this thing is something that is annoying, and it's annoying me. And when I'm talking, don't calm me down. Don't calm me down. If Nigeria is normal, I would have been in the military. I would have been a major by now. That's the truth. I have the military mind, so nobody should calm me down. If you don't want to hear me, get off from there. Get off from the camera. And let me just talk. I'm talking to Nigerians. I'm not talking to you. If Tinubu is your man, then get out. Don't listen to me. I'm talking to people that wants to hear my voice. This is MC Grammar. This is not the first time I've been going viral on social media. I always go viral anytime I talk. I always go viral any minute I talk. I remember when I did something on Buhari, I went viral. Even my family people were shouting, "Are you sure Buhari is not going to arrest him?" I said, "Fuck Buhari." What are you telling me? So the problem in this country, nobody wants to die. Nobody wants to die. Everybody love enjoyment. When you talk, they say, "Hey, you are talking too much." What do you mean I'm talking too much? Are you stupid? Are you the one that give me my mouth? Am I using your mouth to talk? Let me address the issue the way it is like. Our government are messing up, bastardizing the system, and nobody is talking to them. And you expect me to keep silent? Why would Tinubu tell me that he wants to travel to Dubai with his 2 children? Who is Sheyi, by the way? Stupid fools. Sheyi Talojeta Baba Ego. Who is your father, Tinubu? Don't let me use stupid words on you. We know the history of your father. We know the history of your father. We don't even know where he belongs. What are you people just suddenly come. You want to be remoting our life anyhow. So please, this is MC Grammar. When I'm talking, nobody shuns me. When I'm talking, I say things the way I say it. My friends used to tell me that if I were to be American, I would be a wrestler, and I believe it. By now, I would have been facing Seth freaking Rollins. But let me not talk about that. Until next time when I come your way, I remain yours and only MC Grammar. Please, cameraman, take this thing away from me.